There on the other side there's another almost ready to be shipped. There's just some parts.
Yeah, today is a special day, my friends, because we are visiting Fumotec in Germany, a very well-known company, and I'm happy that Frank is now saying hi to us. And so let's see how this small company looks like. Hello Frank, hi, nice to see you.
Yeah, hi Björn, good to see you. Come in. So, welcome to Fumotec, and yeah, happy to have you here and to do some cool videos together. But first, let's have a quick look around the company here to have a bit of an idea of what we're doing and how we do it. Let's start with our shipping and storage room. So we store all the little parts in, like for example here for the cylinder, some cylinder parts, and all in that little boxes. Also the parts for the kits, sorted by numbers, of course. We have here a lot of numbers starting with 490. That's all parts here for the PC 490, and so on. We have the PC 290 numbers here, those are, and so on. A lot of screws, a lot of bearings, and so basically we do the packing here, the packing of the shop orders, and of course also for our kits. At the moment there's a kit here that is in production, or where the ladies prepare it. We have the steel parts here prepared for PC 490, and they started to pack, just for example here, a kit like you will get it later on with the separate bags. Like here, Beutel means bag for page 4, and that's for each page of the instructions you get a pre-packed bag here, and that's for the packing lady is still here. You can have a look here. Don't need to get everything out. So for each page of the instruction you get one individual packed bag with all the parts you need. We have here some attachments in pre-packed, some other kits for customers, and as I said, that's we pack the stuff here, we prepare it, and we also do the shipping here. That's why you have all these boxes around, and that's also done here in that room. And then we have our workshop here, where we build the models for the customers. A colleague just building on another WA475-10 wheel loader. There on the other side there's another almost ready to be shipped. There's just some parts missing. So that's where we assemble the models, do some preparation also for the kit parts, and that's this room here. So here this will be a bit difficult in English. That's German, which means in English I would say it's dirt corner. So that's the room for dirty work, where you have some grinding stuff and like that. Well, this is what we do our prototype parts. We don't have a production here for CNC metal parts. We just do our prototype parts here. With machine here. We have the lathe to do some parts. Of course, also a small CNC machine. And as I said, that's just for our prototype parts. All the other parts for the kits, this is stuff that we design it, we prepare the drawings, and then we give it to external suppliers to get the parts made. One really important point, or the most important for our customers that visit us, is our show corner here with all the models. We have most of the models here that we offer in different versions. We have some attachments, so if you want to come over, just like you do, have a look on the models. Want to have it physically in hands, want to have a test drive, that's no problem. We have the machines here. So as I said, you're welcome to pop by, and we can have a detailed look on all models here and to answer all the questions you have. Then we have a little storage room here. We have the pre-packed, some more pre-packed kits in different kind of models and different status. It's all documented by computer lists, so it's easy to pre-pack something and then continue later on. So we work with computer lists here. We have another possibility here for prototype parts with some 3D printers that we, of course, also only use for our prototypes, not for the serious parts. There we have really high quality machines that we use there to get the parts for the kits. Some of you may know that already from videos. That's our test bench for the hydraulic stuff. Here we test all our hydraulic cylinders and all the hydraulic components before we ship it out. And all this is then documented here with some on a test diagram. And then you may think about where's the production, where's the welding, where's the soldering area here. And indeed, so you may ask yourself, what about all the soldering, what about all the welding that needs to be done for the models? And here we have the benefits, even before of the corona situation, that our workers can work from home. They have all a really well equipped metal workshop at home, and so all that cylinders, all the pipe works, all the welding for the undercarriage, all kind of welding is done basically in-house, but not here in that company, and which is great for the guys that work from home, because they can choose their time when they work or not themselves, which is really cool for them. And in the end, it's also a benefit for us, because we don't need the space here, and anyway have that great parts built, custom built indeed, for our machines. So that's it. That's how Fumotec works. And now let's look on the individual models.